Hi, I'm Justin Carré. I'm a professor in the psychology department at Nipissing University. My research looks at relationships between hormones and human social behavior, and so I'm interested in how social interactions influence hormone levels and how these changes in hormone levels in turn influence human social behavior. So what really got me interested in doing this type of work is when I played college hockey and started asking questions like what happens when you win and when you lose, and what happens to hormone levels, what happens when you play at home versus when you play away, and do differences in hormone levels between winning and losing and playing at home or playing away have any important influences on athletic performance. Research with athletes and also with students tested in a more controlled laboratory environment indicate that competition has these robust effects on testosterone concentrations, and so testosterone typically rises in winners and decreases in losers. So sort of the million-dollar question that my students and I have been interested in is whether these changes in testosterone that happen with victory and defeat have any effects on future behavior. So we're interested in things like aggressiveness, competitiveness, and risk-taking. So to address these questions, we use a variety of different techniques. So we look at behavioral observation in a lab, we look at self-report measures, we also collect saliva samples to measure steroid hormones like testosterone and cortisol in saliva. We also perform testosterone administration work, and finally we use functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, to look at how the brain responds to competitive interactions and how testosterone might play a role in influencing brain function and ultimately behavior. I'm very fortunate to have several very talented and motivated undergraduate and graduate students who are working in my lab. These students receive training in basic theory of neuroendocrinology as well as a basic methodology. We're really lucky here at Nipissing that we have the central analytical facility where we're able to process steroid hormones located in either blood or in saliva right here in-house in the lab. And so my undergraduate students in particular get this rare opportunity to gain experience in social neuroendocrinology that most undergraduate students in other universities wouldn't have the opportunity to do so. My hope is that our research is going to contribute to a better understanding of the biological mechanisms underlying aggressive behavior in people, and that by doing this, this may inform our understanding of the types of intervention programs that we might want to design to curtail aggressive behavior, or treatment programs that we might want to implement in order to treat aggressive behavior in individuals who engage in pathological forms of aggression.